I'm going to give you the answer for this question. The question is, who published the first recipe for s'mores in 1927? Well, let me give you the answer for this question, and the correct answer for the question is Girl Scouts. So that is the answer for the question, Girl Scouts. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others. Right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.